Tēnā tātou katoa ko Imagata tō kuingoa.
Tēnā tātou ko Kiriu tō kuingoa.
Tērā puanga karewa I te pai. So as we enter a new year, we reflect upon the year that's been and plan for the year ahead. So today we are covering our key messages from the latest quarterly.
Financial year 2026, annual plan and budget. As mentioned in the last key messages from the board, this is a no-frills return to basics year until we finish our performance framework and our strategy refresh. However, you can still expect hapu annual distributions, which is now sitting at just a little over 104k per hapu. Our scholarships, which is an allocation of a total of 80,000, and also the continuation of our bureau services and pātaka.
Korowai. We also discussed the Trans-Tasman Resources Fast Track application. Seabed mining is a long-running ngārara in our moana. Resistance to TTR has been spearheaded by Ngā Raudu and Ngāti Ruanui through multiple appeal processes. E rere ana ngā mihi kia rātou pa kawea I tēnei kaupapa. More recently, under the Fast Track Act, we have seen another unified resistance to TTR. It's important to acknowledge our hapu who have lodged the Waitangi Tribunal claim and our uri who have attended hui and events to show their opposition. Te Korowai is currently focused on the Environmental Protection Authority process. We also see value in raising awareness of the Fast Track Act and its application to the TTR project. And at this hui, the board also formally supported the Y3475 claim by hapu. The board also encouraged our kaimahi to explore other legal mechanisms at our disposal under our tiriti claims policy. Another kaupapa that we touched on was our business continuity plan endorsement. So last year, myself, our pautuarua and committee chairs such as Kiri attended a chairing the board course. This highlighted the need for a business continuity plan. As Te Korowai grows, so does our fail points in a significant disruption. While it's impossible to predict disasters or disruptions, it's our responsibility to have a clear plan and mitigations in place so that we can continue to serve Ngāruahine.
A joint half-yearly hui with Ngāruahine, the authority. Every 6 months, Te Korowai and NIA is part of our kawenata. Although we are two very separate legal entities with distinct responsibilities, we both exist to serve Ngāruahine. These hui are an opportunity to ensure that we are complementing and not duplicating or competing pieces of mahi. We are seeking applications for Ngāruahine representation on the Te Pūnganga Ora, the Iwi Māori Partnership Board for Taranaki. Applications close on the 3rd of July at 4 p.m.
E rere ana ngā mihi o tēnei waha o te tau kia koutou katoa kia haumaru ai te noho puanga mā matariki.